What we're doing today is called the canvass. Every post-election period we go through, we double-check all the results that we tabulated on election night. Election night is a very fast-paced, it's a very hectic environment. We like to take a couple days afterwards to just calm down, go over all the materials, make sure we've done everything properly, we've added everything up right, all the results are correct, there's no issues with tabulation, there's no issues with transposition of numbers, and by the time we finish this process, we will have the best record that we know everything is okay and everything worked well on election night and that the numbers are right. So we do our best to maintain strict chain of custody where the ballots or the result statements are never outside of the exclusive possession and control of someone either in our office or one of our election officers. So what we try to do on election night is get all of our materials in. We send most of the ballots to the courthouse where they're placed in a secure vault where they stay. Most of our election result materials that we're canvassing today come here to the government center. We put them in a central secure location. We lock the doors. We have armed security outside. Normally we wouldn't have to go that far, but because we have a recount situation, we have armed security available. And then the electoral board physically goes and places seals on the doors that we break in the morning to verify that overnight no one came into the room and tampered with any of the materials. Our goal is transparency, but we also have to make sure that we are providing a legitimate and error-free and trustworthy election to the general public, and that's why we do what we do.